Hi, welcome to ASVAB test practice lesson 2 about mechanical comprehension. So here today's our first problem is a person lift a 50 kg box a vertical distance of 2 meters. What is the work done in lifting the box? So here F equal to mass times gravity. Mass times gravity. So here we need to multiply with 50 kg times 9.8. It's a Newton kilogram meter over second square. So here we need to multiply like this way. So 50 times 8, it's 400. So 400, just write down like this. 450 times 9. So 50 times 9 equals to 450. So here 1 times 450. So 0, 5, and 4. So here just we need to add 0. Here 1 point is here because 1 point is here. So just put down 0. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Here 490 Newton. So here what is the work done in the lifting box? So work done. So now W equal to F times X. So F times X, it's a 2 meter, the value of X, and F is the Newton. So here F value is 490 Newton. So 490 times 2 equals to 490 times 2 equals to 98. So this much of joule. So the option D will be answer for this question number 1. Now come to another problem. A lever is used to lift a 300 Newton object with a force of 60 Newton. What is the mechanical advantage of the lever? So here just we need to divide 300 divided by 60 equals to 5. So here C will be the answer. Option C, 5 will be answer. Here you can see the answer will be 5. Now come to another problem. In a polar system, a 50 Newton force is required to lift a 200 Newton object. What is the mechanical advantage? So here the object is 200 Newton over force. So mass over force will be the mechanical advantage. Ma equal to M over 5 F. So here 50 equals to 4. So the mechanical advantage will be 4, option B. So now come to another problem is here. A small gear with 20 teeth meshes with the large gear with 60 teeth. If the small gear is turning at 100 rpm, what is the speed of larger gear? So here the equation is like, so first small gear speed up. So V A Vs as equal to V large A large. So here it's a velocity 100 rpm. So here we need to find out the larger gear value. So here VL. So VL equals to VS AS over AL equals to VS value is 100 times AS means it's a 60. 60 over 20 equals to 3, not 3, sorry. Your AS value is 20 over 60. So here 100 times 1 over 3. So 1 over 3, so it's 33 times 33. So here's the answer will be 33 times 33, and 50 rpm will be the closer value. So here the not exact value is showing, so 50 rpm will be the closer value, option C. So now come to another problem is here. A 10 kg box is being posed up inclined plane with 30-degree angle. What is the force required to move the box? Okay, so here F equal to mx. So here we have angle, so mx sine theta. So here mx equal to sine theta. So theta value is 30 degree and mass value is 10 kg. What is the force is required to move the box? Here the force is required to move the box is, so 10 kg times sine 30 degree. So here 10 times sine 30, value of sine 30 will be 0.5 equals to 5. So here we need to see the expression like this way. Okay, so here one of the problem I have like, so here another problem is here. 10 kg box is being posed up an inclined plane with 30-degree angle. What is the force required to move the box? So here F equal to, so we need to place the rules or equation. F equals to mx. So here x value will be 30 degrees. So here what can I do like this way? Like here the 30-degree angle, and here x value will be sine 30 degree. Okay, so here m equal to mass equal to weight, the 10 kg times 9.8 is the gravity. So here 10 times 9.8 equals to 8 kg. So here 98 kilogram, it's a Newton, times sine 30. The sine 30 value will be 98 Newton times sine 30 value will be 0.5, and here we will get 49 Newton. So it's near about 50, so the answer will be 50 Newton. Now come to another problem is here. A gear with 12 teeth is matched with a gear has 36 teeth. If 12 teeth gear turns 10 times, how many times the 36 teeth gear turned? So here 3. So 12 gear turned 10 times, so 36 over 12 equals to 3. So here we need to divide the times, rotate with the small gear. So 10 over 3 equals to 3.33. So it's near about the value of 5. So here we can choose the 5 times. Oh, sorry. Here the value selected for 2 times or 3 times. 3 times we can choose. 3 times we can choose. So now come to another problem is here. A small piston with a cross-sectional area 2 centimeters square is used to lift a larger piston with a cross section area of 10 centimeters square. If a force 10 Newton is applied to the small piston, how much force is exerted to the large piston? Here the cross-sectional area is 2 centimeters square for the small piston. So here A is equal to 2 centimeters square. And a larger piston with a cross-sectional area, so AL equals to 10 centimeters square. So here if a force of 10 Newton is applied to a small piston, how much force exerted on the large piston? So here F is AS equals to FL AL. So here we will get FL equals to FS over AS times AL. So Fs equals to 10 Newton. So here 10 times AL value will be 10 centimeters square and AS value will be 2. So here 10 times 2 will goes over 10. It's 5 times. Here 5 times 10 equals to 50. So the larger piston will exert 50 Newton forces. Here see the answer, 50 Newton. Now come to another problem. Is here a mechanical applies a force of 300 Newton to move and object 5 meter. How much work done? So here W equal to F S. So here 300 Newton times 5 meter. So it's a 5 times 3 equals to 1500 Newton meter or joule. So here 1500 joule will be the answer, option C. Here a wrench is used to tighten a bolt. With the wrench apply force 50 Newton at a distance of 2 meters from the center of the bolt. What is the torque exerted on the bolt? What is the torque exerted on the bolt? So here torque T equals to the Newton. It's F and the distance X. Distance will be X. So here F times X. So 50 Newton times 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter, it's give me like 50 Newton times 0.2. We can write down like 220 over 100 meter. So here 150 will goes over 100, it's 2 times, and 2 will go over 20, it's 10 times. So 10 Newton meter will be the torque. Now let's see another problem. Is here a car with a mass of 1200 kg is traveling at 20 meter per second. What is the car kinetic energy? So EK kinetic energy equals to half of the mv square. So half times 12 kg, 1200 kg times 20 meter per second square whole square. So here half times 20 times 20, 20 square, 20 times 20 equals to 400. So here 1200 times 400. Here the kg, or we can write down joule. We can write down joule. So here we need to calculate the multiplication. So here half. Okay, so 12 times 4, 48, 48, 0, 0, 2 zeros and 2 zeros will be added here, divided by 2, and now it will give me 24, 2,40,000. So the first one, option A, will be the answer, 2,40,000 joule. So this will be our last problem, and here's the answer, 2,40,000 joule. Hope this video will be more helpful for your ASVAB test prep. So this types of mechanical comprehension problem is a little bit come to your questions of, is there any problem happening to understand? Feel free to ask me any question, and please, if you really very helpful to see this video or tutorial, like and comment for giving me more inspiration to make more video. So goodbye for now.